Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME Note 70T and let me show you how to remove personalized ads. So at first open the settings, then find and select Google. Here enroll all services and now mark ads. So they are here under privacy and security. Now you can start with resetting advertising ID. So as you can see, this generates a new advertising ID that apps can use from now on. So you will just reset the current setup and now customize it from scratch. However, if you want to get rid of it totally, just mark delete advertising ID. As you can see, this deletes your current advertising ID. Apps still can show you ads, however they will not be that relevant. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.